Al Shots Global News in just 60 words. Muslims are observing the holy month of Ramadan in April. Ramadan is an interesting mix of austerity and celebration. However, there are certain things that one must know about Ramadan. Here are some of them. Number 1. The date of Ramadan changes every year as the timing is based on the Islamic lunar calendar. And according to the calendar, Ramadan is due to start around 23rd or 24th of April 2020. Number 2. Fasting during Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Sawm or fasting is directly stated in the Quran as eat and drink until the whiteness of the day becomes distinct from the blackness of the night at dawn. Then complete the fast till night. Number 3. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, observed as a month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. The month of Ramadan is that in which was revealed the Quran, a guidance for mankind and clear proof of the guidance and the criteria of right and wrong. Number 4. Muslims who are fasting during Ramadan should abstain from eating, drinking, smoking, and intimacy along with sinful speech and behavior from dawn to dusk. The act of fasting is said to redirect the heart away from worldly activities, its purpose being to cleanse the soul by freeing it from impurities. Number 5. There are certain exceptions to who is not allowed to fast, such as those who are seriously ill individuals, elderly people, pregnant and nursing women. However, they can complete the cycle of fasting later whenever they can. Number 6. Ramadan is a month of generosity and charity. Ramadan teaches the practice of self-discipline, self-control, sacrifice and empathy for those who are less fortunate, thus encouraging actions of generosity that comes back with multiplied rewards. Number 7. At the end of Ramadan, Muslims celebrate Eid, which marks the beginning of the next Islamic lunar month. Eid is declared as a crescent new moon has been sighted, or after completion of 30 days of fasting if no sighting of the moon is possible. However, this year Ramadan will be different from the usual, since every corner of the globe is battling a fight against COVID-19. The mosque and hotel iftars are shut. Many families will not gather to break the bread together. The questions and doubts are definitely pervasive. Usual Taraweeh prayer, visit to the mosque, maintaining social distancing while charity, and what not. However, the need of the hour is to stay safe inside the houses. May this upcoming Ramadan be full of insights and lessons. So when the day comes when everyone leaves their houses, all must emerge graceful, kinder, and better human beings. Stay tuned for more updated news and bulletins around the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to keep watching Al Shots videos. Al Shots Global News.